Well, here we go. I've taken delivery of my Mini today. Well, not my Mini, my VW. And as you can see, we've got a 1958 VW Beetle. You can see the old snowflake lights, and the blanking plate, and the semaphores. Over there it's even got the original instruction manual. You can see that she's in pretty good nick for 1958. The windows are all there, the trims are all there, the glass is all there. That's where the semaphores go. Inside it's really quite tidy for 58. It's got the original seats, the original floor, the driver's seat, and the headlining. Oh, it needs a little bit working to it, but that's going to be something that we'll manage. 4 hubcaps. And it even runs. There's the motor there. Have a look at that. When it was brand new, a full 36 horsepower. Golly, I don't know what I'm going to do with all that power. The bumper bars, reasonable nick. They're not marvellous, but they're in reasonable nick. And up the driver's side door shuts nicely. So here she is, and this will be the first in my series of doing up my 58 VW. Once again, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it. See ya.